So now, as an administrator, our responsibility is to go through the comments and publish the ones that are relevant. So I'll go back to our admin window, and we can get to comments by going to Content and Comments. Here we have a list of published comments and unapproved comments. So the unapproved comments is where we go to review comments that we need to moderate. There's two ways to publish this. The first is by editing the comment. This way we can read through the content. Under Administration, we would set Published here, and then click Save. But let's look at the other way of doing it as well. I'm going to go back in the browser, and we can select the comments that we want to publish. And then with the update options here, we can select Publish the selected comments and click Update. Now, if we go back to the blog entry and refresh, we'll see the post by the anonymous user, and it shows that the user is not verified. And this helps those that are reading these comments judge a little bit more fairly about the content. Sometimes it's hard to tell if a comment is spam or if it's legitimate. The not verified moniker here might help accurately tilt that perspective over to it being spam.